Okay, in this video we're checking out this Super8 antenna from FrSky. This is a replacement antenna for the standard antenna on the R9 modules. This one here happens to be the R9M. Obviously it should work also on the R9. I think it's the mini module, the one that goes on the X-Lite. So I'm just going to do a real basic test. This is the standard antenna here that the R9M module comes with. It's pretty long and a little bit unwieldy. And the Super antenna is obviously more compact, so it's a folded, I think it's called a folded dipole antenna, and they're both RPSMA antennas, so it should match up here no problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first fly my iFlight. This is the IH3 here, long range setup here with the R9, I think it's the R9 mini receiver in here, and I'll try the standard antenna first. We'll be watching the RSSI numbers, and then I'll fly a certain distance, maybe 500 meters or so, see what the RSSI is like at, I think I'll probably set a pretty low power, like maybe 100 milliwatts or 50 milliwatts, something pretty low so we can see a difference. And then I'll swap the antenna, do another flight, fly the same distance away with the Super antenna, and see if there's any difference in terms of reception or signal strength between the two. So pretty basic test, and yeah, go ahead and I'll just take a couple flights here, and I'll talk about the RSSI numbers in the two flights I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the first flight with the stock antenna, and again I'm at only 10 milliwatts, lowest power setting, and you can see right away I'm getting a drop off in the signal strength. And right around here, this is about 150 meters. I'm turning around because I don't really want to go into failsafe. It was getting down into the 30s around this point here, which is about 150 meters away. So figure at this power rating, that's about as safe as I think I can go. Now obviously I'm at a very low power rating here, so these numbers are going to be a little bit skewed because I didn't want to go kilometers away. I just wanted to go a short distance to do a comparison between these two antennas. And go ahead and I'll land. Okay, so this is the second flight with the Super 8 antenna, and you can see right away here that I'm going to go past the 150 meter point. No drop off at all. The signal is still at 99%, and I'm going to keep on going. Again, I'm only at 10 milliwatts, same power as before. I think I'm going to be able to get about almost twice as far away before I start seeing the same sort of numbers dropping off here. So I see a little bit drop off there, and then as I turn around, it does drop kind of briefly into the 30s. I'm almost twice as far away there. I'm going to come back here, and I want to see what my numbers are like as I fly around in this area here where it was very low for the other antenna. You can see in this area I'm pretty clearly in the 90s, almost 100%. Almost no drop off there. I guess see a little bit of drop off here as I'm just kind of turning around and stuff like that. But for the most part, the signal strength is a lot stronger at the same distance for this antenna versus the stock antenna. So for me, the results seem pretty clear. The Super antenna is the one I'm going to be using from now on my R9 system.